Okay na, sir.
Okay. So, good afternoon to everybody. Before proceeding further with our activity, going to the agenda of our pre-procurement conference, may I request everybody to stand up for a prayer by Ma'am Sis.
Yes, Lord, we want for all the activities today and we ask for mercy, for guidance, and this activity will be successful. This we ask in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you very much, Ma'am Sis, for the prayer. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the back Ma'am Sis
Present, sir.
from Sir Peter, uh, the head of the procurement, Sir Chico. We have members of the DWC and the Secretariat, Sir Pablito Langit, Ma'am Tessie, Iso, Ma'am Charlene,
Present, sir.
and to acknowledge our technical, the designers and the programmers. Sir Peter, can we introduce our technical personnel from planning and design section?
Good afternoon to all of us. For the programmers and designers, we have in my right side, Sir Soren, Engineer Soren Umnas, Sir Raymond, Engineer Raymond Luminang, Ma'am Mystica, Mystica Laksa, and Sir Derek Sane, Engineer Derek Sane. So these are the programmers and designers of this the project we are going to have the procurement conference. So these are the programmers, sir.
Thank you, Sir Peter. We also have to acknowledge our network administrator, Sir Reggie Kairan. Good afternoon. Thank you for being with us so that our activity will be online. This is the agenda of our pre-procurement conference that will be held today, October 26, 2023, which is to be participated by the BAC. We have the BAC here, the BAC Secretariat, with the Sir Andrew Pigo, implementing a unit representatives construction there, or the DPWHUK as a whole, the technical TWG, technical members and consultant, and other concerned. We have the designers and the programmers from the planning and design section. Thank you, Sir Peter, for the attendees. The agenda, number one is we have to review the basic contract data of these three projects, including the contract description. We have to correct the spellings and the titles, the ABC, the approved budget for the contract and the duration. Number two, confirmation of consistency of proposed contract procurement with the PPMP and APP. Number three is determination of the readiness of the proposed contract procurement. That includes the completion of the detailed engineering, uh, inclusion of the contract in DPWH budget or GAA or SARO or MYOA. So it should have to be included. There will it should have a listing on the general appropriation. The our concern also is under number 3 is the right of way, the acquisition plan we have. Number 4 of the agenda is the confirmation of criteria for eligibility check. Is it included in the survey, no? Preliminary examination of which? No. Oh, yes. Number 5, adoption of procurement schedule, deadlines and timeliness of invitation, issuance of BDS, pre-bid conference receipt on opening of bids. Number 6 is the approval of invitation to bid and other matters. So let us, we have 3 projects now. This is the contract ID 24 PK 0001, 24 PK 002, and 24 PK 003. So kindly have the program of works and all the documents while we are reading so that it will be correct, especially the titles. So let us begin with contract ID 24 PK 001, 0001, 4 digit. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program, construction / improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries and economic zones, Batong Buhay, Dao-angan. Yeah, correct, yes, Balantoy. Industries and economic zones, Balantoy. Yeah, okay. Dao-angan with niya. Poswoy, Ababa-an has also a Road in support of coffee processing industry, Homestyles industry, open parenthesis, Basketry and Softbroom making, close, and food processing industry, Kalinga. Okay. We will proceed to the editor by and by. So the contract location is Kalinga. Kalinga. The approved budget of the contract is 72,375,000 pesos. Okay. Source of fund is FY 2024 regular infrastructure program. Okay, so the duration as per program is 266 days, 266 calendar days. The major categories of the work, RCP, roads, column construction, and PCCP. Anyway, it's not indicated there. But the similar works for this are here. RRP, Roads Rehabilitation, PCCP, RCTP, Road Construction Tunnel, PCCP. So the cost of bidding documents, kindly check, 50,000. Survey. So 24. Correct ba? Yes. So this project 24 PK 001 is in accordance with the Department Order number 12. That is the subject is a breakdown of allocation of the authorized deduction from project-related expenses to be used for engineering and administrative overhead. In short, EAW and MOOE under FY 2023 GAA DPWH budget it falls under uh, locally funded project release. No, it directly released to RONDEO. So the EAW will be 2.5%. 3.5%. So centrally managed. So it falls on locally funded project released to central office. So the EAW will be 3.5%. Okay. Jadi ang kabalik na rin mo. ABC, tama naman yung ABC natin, correct? And the duration. Confirmation of consistency of proposal. How about the PP, MP, and APP? Yes, so for this certain project, it says that is this an early procurement activity? So yes. So it will be under competitive bidding. Pagtitignan po kung tama yung sinasabi ko. Now, let's check it. Yes. Okay, so for kindly check if it's correct. So it will be for the indicative annual procurement plan. It will be advertised on November 16, 2023. To make it static. And the submission and opening of, I'm talking about the schedule as per indicative annual procurement plan. And for the submission and opening of it, it will be December 6, 2024. Or December 6, 2023. Yes, okay. So, because waka lang kata niya, it's okay, 2023. Tama. So, source of fund na nakalagay doon sa sa program natin, GAA. Estimated budget. $75. So for the remarks, so it will fall under road construction. Road construction. Okay. So, determination of readiness of the proposed procurement. So, we had completed the detail engineering. We had already completed the surface.
Yes, sir. It's complex, sir. The plan, the program of work and ABC. So, they are okay.
Under little B, the inclusion of contract in the PWH GAA. So, meron naman doon, included yan. How about this number, hindi mo na mag-proceed sa number 4. Number 4. Ito, wala akong
Hindi, meron na sa tapos tapos sa office ko na ito yung checking it.
We will be checking it if it's in accordance with our CWA manual. For example, like for 2450-001, the major categories of work is roads construction, PCCP. And according to our manual, it's okay naman. RCP, roads construction, CCP. The similar major categories of work is RRP. And the copy. Do you have the copy?
Yes.
Are you following
Yes,
me?
yes.
The construction CCP, okay. Another similar categories of work is RCTP. And according to our manual, CTP, roads construction, BCCP, is okay. So for 24PT-001, it's in accordance with our eligibility check in the CWA. That's for number 4, sir.
Yes. So, number 5, we had just really a while ago, the timeliness is schedule. Okay. I did it. So, adoption of the procurement schedule. So, we have the issuance of we had set the deadlines and timeliness of the invitations, issuance of bid documents, the schedule of the pre-bid conference. Yes, yung sinabi mo kanina, yung eligibility check. So for number 1, so we are here. The end user is as per indicative annual procurement plan. The infrastructure, the end user is in PWH, KTAO, and this is an early procurement activity to satisfy number 5. It is competitive bidding, the mode of procurement. And it will be advertised on November 16, 2023. After this procurement. Submission and opening of bid will be December 6, 2023. Tama naman yung source of fund natin, that's equal to 2054 GAE with the appropriation of 75 million. And it is falls under road construction. Any other matters? Any more topics or other matters to be incorporated so we can deliver to us? So we have the plan. With the pro plan. Program plan. So that is all about PK 24 PK 000. It's good to note that this will be our first project for year 2024. Then we complete so any more amendments or inclusion or what you have observed there kung may dagdag pa natin o okay naman yun yan kasi as for our review, it's okay. Kung hindi makorek-korek man lang nila. Kasi doon sa paminsan, korek-korek na nangyayari kung nire-review ka na hindi makita mo. So, we are correct on the E-out. So, it is 3.5%. So let us proceed to the next project. Next project is can they hold your copies doing the Procurement contract ID 24 PK 0002. So the contract name of this organizational outcome 2 column protect lives and properties against major flood control column flood management program, thus construction / rehabilitation of flood mitigation facilities with major river basins and principal rivers. Yes. Column. Construction of Sukiap flood control along Chico River. Correct? Along Chico River. Comma. Station 171 plus 005. Thus, Station 171 plus 295. Open parenthesis L/S, comma, Sukiap, Tanglag, Lubuagan, Kalinga. Kasi minsan, may magsasabit na mali ang title. So the contract location is Lubuagan, Kalinga. The approved budget for the contract is 19,600,000. Source of fund is FY 2024 regular infrastructure program. Kindly check the duration if it is 234 calendar days. 234. Sir Marvin, for the major categories of work is F.
Yes, so Chair, let's check again. We'll compare it in our CWA user manual. As our proposal, the major categories of work, FCSP, the project is road constructions, about road constructions of protection using non-structural measures. Example, CSPS. I'm sorry. Iba yung FCSPS. CSPS. So, okay. As our proposal, major categories of work, FCSPS, flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures. And if we check it in our CWA manual, FCSPS, okay, the description, flood control, construction, slope protection, slope protection using structural measures, okay, and our proposal for similar major categories of work, RCSPS, roads construction, slope protection using structural measures, and if we will check it, compare it to our CWA, the similar works, or CSPS, road construction, slope protection using structural measures. Okay, so it's okay. And another proposed similar categories of work, FSR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. We'll check it in our CWA manual. Similar categories is FSR, okay, flood description, flood control, hydraulics, river control. So the eligibility check proposal is okay, sir, in accordance with our CWA manual.
Thank you, Sir Mervin. So, kindly check if the amount for the approved budget contract of 19,600,000, the cost of bidding is 25,000, right? For that amount. So the ABC is 19,600,000. The cost of bidding documents is 25,000. So, okay. I-check yung mga data review yun. Yan, data narami juta. Correct net namin narami juta. Minsan ko minsan dito. Magpapagod na. Sulta. Mabalik na sukatan tayo. So, this number 2, that is this project 24/20/0002 falls under yes. And in accordance with the Department Order number 12 series of 2023, the breakdown of ER. So it is it falls under locally, I know, directly released to RO and DEO. So DEO should be 2.5%. 2%. Yes, DEO implemented. So DEO, if it's implemented, it should be 2%. Tama sa dito. Kasi RO, it is 2.5, so it is DEO, it is 2%. Para hindi tayo magkamali. We have to check also on the confirmation of consistency of proposed contract procurement with PPLP and APP. So we have here the indicative annual procurement plan for CY 2024. We are there, number 2. Yes. So it is under procurement. Mode of procurement is competitive bidding. The review the summary. Yes, so we have here the summary. If availability of fund, so it is in the amount of 19,600,000, tama? We have we had completed the detailed engineering certificate, di ba? We have the plans and the programs. So it is a completed bidding documents. We have the activities for this, the schedule of activities for this project. The procurement conference is scheduled today, October 26, 2023. After 7 days, we have to advertise it, the advertisement of or invitation to bid on October 27. After 21 days, we have the issuance of bidding document on October 27 to November 16, 2023. And we had scheduled the pre-bid conference on November 6, 2023. Received an opening of bids November 16, 2023. Evaluation of bids will be November 17, 2023. Post qualification starts on November 20 to November 29, 2023. And we have to award the contract on December 6, 2023. We had also, the next is the contract processing. So we have to, the perfection and signing of the contract that will start on December 14. So it will be scheduled December 14, 2023. Approval of contract, December 15, 2023, and we will issue the notice to proceed on December 19 to or December 24, 2023. So, other matters? Process. Yes, sir. Our next project is 23PK0003. In the upper Kalinga, we use PK. In the other district offices, they have different letters. We have 4 digit of contract ID number. So this is now the third one. 24, 2000, that means 2024. PK means for upper Kalinga. And that 0003 is the number of project. So it means is our third project for 2024. Kindly check. The contract ID of this project 24PK0003. The contract name is Convergence and Special Support Program, Colon Construction, slash improvement of access roads leading to trades, comma, industries and economic zones, colon, Lubuagan, Das, Batong Buhay Junction, Awichon, Das Upper Uma Road in support of Homestyle industry, open parenthesis, Softbroom making and Blacksmith, close parenthesis, Lubuagan, comma, Kalinga. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So it is located at Lubuagan, Kalinga. Lubuagan, Kalinga. So kindly check on the ABC or the approved budget for the contract in the amount of 9,800,000. Source of fund is December FY 2024 regular infrastructure program. As per the prepared program of work, it has the duration of 153 calendar days. So, Sir Marvin, how is the categories related to this project? Major categories of work related to
With regards to our proposed major categories of work, CP, roads, construction CCP, compare it and check it to in our civil works manual, operation manual. We code as CP, roads, construction PCCP, okay. And there are two similar categories. One is RRP, roads, rehabilitation PCCP, and number two, RCTP, roads, construction tunnel PCCP. If we check our proposal, the similar categories jive with our civil works application manual, which is RRP, roads, rehabilitation PCCP, RCTP, roads, construction tunnel PCCP. So it's okay, sir. It's consistent with the our in our CWA.
yes, sir.
For the exhibits.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the. So this project will contract ID 24 PK0003 has an approved budget for the contract of 9,800,000. So the cost of bidding document for this project is 10,000. Okay, tingnan kung tama yung hinanay natin. 10,000. The ABC is 9,800,000.
Sir, my question tayo dito.
Yes, kasi ang nakalagay dito, cost of bidding documents is 10,000.
The amount of projects.
No, it is 9,800,000. Huh? Bakit diba? Yes, buti po may kisero-sero. Yes, yes, yes. 9 million. Oh, that's okay. So,
No, we'll correct our
So the amount is 9,800,000.
yes,
so 9,800,000.
yes.
So tama yung
Tama yung bidding documents ko.
ABC lang ang
9,000.
So kindly correct the approved budget for the contract. It should be 9,800,000.
Noted, sir.
Kasi nakalagay doon sa inyo, 72 million. Talagang magkaiba. Iba. 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 So, it's okay, Sir Marvin.
We will, yes, thank you for the information. We will go from Convergence to
Yes, because in your copy, it's 72 million. But the actual cost of this is, and the appropriation in the amount of 10 million as per proposed FY 2024 deliverables infrastructure program.
Yes, sir. Copy, sir.
Yes. So it is, it works again on, as per Department Order number 72. Direct to the EU ba to? So it is 2%. The will be 2%. Correct. Yeah, 2% nakakabili. 2%. Baka 3% kabili. 2% kabili. Thank you. So the end user will be the DPWH DAO. So this is an early procurement activity. Our mode of procurement is competitive bidding. It has source of fund is FY 2024 GAA 10,000. We have collected it, and it will fall on under road construction. So inclusion of contract in the DPWH GAA, okay. Confirmation to criteria for eligibility, it's okay. So adoption of procurement schedule, we have here. Kindly check if what we have here is okay. Just completed the 9-8, completed the 9. Lubuagan-Batong Buhay. Blacksmith. So, yeah, okay. So as per our indicative project procurement management plan for this project, amount ABC is 9,800,000. So with the completed, as per info from the Chief of Planning and Design section, we had completed digital engineering activities, completed bidding documents, so Marvin, di ba? Proposed procurement method public bidding, so that was stated a while ago. Can you check for the schedule? Naman ba natin ang kamali? Yes, sir.
When it was in the or tomorrow, same. Katawan na sa life. Yung matibigin na tama na hindi ka at kulang ka na ito tapos nito na really one na 16 lang na 16 lang na so okay lang so all the time Sama tayo i-release sir na Mitigation. 2% of 10 billion. Anyway,
So there is just a little clerical error on the encoding of data, but it does not affect the process. So for the schedule, it will be the opening of it will be scheduled on November 16. Sir Marlene. At the same time, we have the eligibility check on that day. And the following day, November 17, the evaluation of bids. And the back with the assistance of the technical working group will have the post-qualification starting from November 20 to November 29. And if it succeeds, we have to award the contract on December 6, 2023. And for the contract processing activity, we have to perfect the contract and it will be signed on December 14, 2023. The approval of the contract shall be December 15, 2023, and we have to have the notice to proceed on December 24, 2023.
That's just on,
Notice to proceed. Yes, that's it. As our target.
targets.
That's our target. Uh, target, we have a target starting from December 19 to December 24, 2023. It will be full on that duration. So, on all the data that were being read, we have the approval of the invitations to bid on this project.
This one.
Did everyone dapat mabaling na correct yun? The duration, yes. DO number DO 44. As per DO, how many days? 153. As per PDM, well adapted what? The department order. Yes. Anyway, it's legal. Thank you for the information. So we have to, our next activity will be the, it is just a clerical, so it does not affect the ABC, approved budget for the contract. So after the pre-procurement conference, we have to, Sir Mervin, after the pre-procurement conference, we have to advertise all those three projects. This first three project of our office 0001, 0002, and 0003. And we have advertisement, we have the issuance of bidding documents, and our next meeting will be the pre-bid conference. So for this project, we have the pre-bid conference scheduled on November 11. Yes, November 11. Yes. And the other two projects for the pre-bid conference, yung naunang dalawang project, November 6. November 6. Pre-bid conference. So we'll meet you, see you there, November 6. November 6 will be the pre-bid conference of the Convergence and Special Support Program, CSSP, and
Excuse me, sir, hindi ba pare-pareho yung
In the
I will check it, sir.
yes, kindly check because the other one is yes, it's the same.
Okay.
Private conference all scheduled on November 6. November 6.
So all three projects are conference.
Yes, Sir Marvin. All three projects will be previewed on November 6.
Okay.
Any other further announcement? So, in the private conference, we have to issue invitation to the. Anyway, we have posted it. We have to issue invitation. We will issue invitation to concern other offices, other concerned offices. Any more? Any announcements, Sir Marvin?
I think everything is great, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Sir Marvin. We have to digest it more on the private conference, the other topics that were not included here, that were not discussed. So, thank you very much, Mamsis, Sir Peter, Sir Marvin. Our technical, energetic engineers from the planning design division. Thank you very much for your cooperation. We will see each other, and you may join us on November 6th, so that it is a private and it is a process of learning. Thank you for joining us. Now, our activity is now adjourned. Thank you very much. God bless us.
I-inform nyo na yung staff ko na nakakainin sa Mitigation. Ayun ang allow mga i-inform mo rin natin. At kanin sa nagsasalong ka pa. Meron mo.
Dati pag-program ako tayo next school. Why we conduct the PPC,
Sino pag sinirap yun, kinakay.
Hindi ka nararamdaman ko na bakit pwede ba niya isang alam tayo mga wow! Lagi niya makapay. Punto ni Ma'am Marlene.
Mas lang yung nalagay ka na si Puti ko.
Tapos yung mga tasner by short-short. Kasi sabi sa mga kasi dito pa. Kasi dalilaw, diyan mo. Magaling na binasa sa 20%.
Ay, hindi o.
Pag-straight ka ba? Tas people sa sample na yung example mo. Tas iyan mo pa. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Ayun, may gulo po yan. Pilit ko ito na.